Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're just going to be doing a simple fall eye look. I've already done like a very quick complexion, and I will list the products that I used for that down in the description box below. One of them being the Tear that I've recently reviewed. I'm trying it out with like various different base products and things because I'm noticing that it doesn't work or last as long with certain primers. So I'm kind of like trying to see, maybe am I using too much product? Is it the primers? Is it, you know, what is it? So I just did a quick base and I'm really liking it. It's very simple, very like natural, very my skin but better. So I will list all of these complexion products down in the description box, but today we're just focusing on the eyes for a quick simple fall look because it's finally starting to feel like fall outside and I love that. So that's what we're doing today. We're starting off with the About Face Fluid Eye Paint in Capulets, and this is like a really great go-to crease color for me. My eyelids are bare, so I'm just going to put a few dots like above my crease and then take a blending brush and blend it out. This particular shade is matte, and you do have quite a bit of playing time with it to blend it out, which I really like, but it will set by itself in a very matte way. I'm taking it up pretty far to like my eyebrow because I have a like half hooded overhang situation, and I found that kind of blending it up a little bit further allows you to be able to see it, because once we get to this outer corner color, that'll take up a lot of room as well. Next, I'm going into the Dollhouse palette from Blend Bunny Cosmetics. Her palettes are set up very easy to navigate. The Dollhouse one is like a neutrals but like with color, and I love that. For what we're using, you could use this like medium row or the dark row. The dark row is like very dark though, so we might kind of build it up. I'm thinking that I'm gonna go with Rogue, this like pinky plummy purpley shade. And I'm just going to keep that on the outer corner. This is pretty much the look that I do in like every reviews video and on a daily basis, because I know it's going to look good on my eye and I know it looks good on other people's eyes because I've done it on almost every single person I've done makeup on. And it's like having a transition crease color, which is like a medium matte shade, a matte, darker, colorful-ish shade on the outer corner, and then you do like a glitter on the inner half. Again, it's something that I'm just like, I know works on everybody. It works on my eye shape, and it takes literally 2 seconds, and you can use any colors that you want that like go together. This is just the fall combination of products that I've been like really enjoying. And if you do have like a hooded lid, semi-hooded lid, half-hooded, overhang, you know, a lot of lid transfer, don't be scared to really take that color kind of like up towards the tail of your eyebrow to really like push it back with shading. I think a lot of people really just keep the color or the eyeshadow on the lid, when really you should be thinking about your eyeshadow space from like your lash line to your brow, like underneath your brow bone. All of that can handle eyeshadow. Not all of it can handle the same intensity, but all of it can handle eyeshadow, and you just kind of need to learn the blending, the transitions, the gradients, and the colors that work well for different areas of your eye. Now, if you wanted, you could definitely go into the Dollhouse palette again, or again, whatever palette you're working from, and you could take a shimmer shade, dark or light. I personally like to go lighter, but the liquid glitter that I've been using, and I don't even know if it's liquid glitter, but it's the eye paint that I've been using from About Face, is the Fractal eye paint in Tin Pan Alley. You guys, As someone who constantly deals with lid transfer as well as like creasing and like glitters and eye paints sticking to each other, this About Face Fractal Eye Paint has been a godsend in that I have not noticed any creasing, cracking, or anything when I'm wearing it. I also really like Tin Pan Alley, this like silvery shade, this like nudie beigey shade, but they have so many options and I'm thinking about investing in more, but I have really been liking this. So this is what we're using. Again, if you have a hooded lid, if you have a half hooded lid, if you have a lot of lid transfer, the About Face Fractal Eye Paint, you should try it out. So we're just gonna smear it on, and it goes on really creamy and very pigmented, but we're gonna take a little flat shader brush and just pat it out and just blend it to the best of our ability. We're gonna do a little bit of liner and lashes. I did put a little extra concealer underneath my eyes, but then we're going to go back in with that Capulets, put some on the back of my hand, take a shader brush and dip it in the tip of the brush or the dome of the brush, and then just buff it along the lower lash line, just to give a little bit of definition. Maybe use a blending brush, blend it out a little bit. Finish off with some mascara. And then there you go. My lashes are kind of going a little funky on me, but you don't have to do liner or false lashes, but I would encourage you to do mascara, whether that's brown, black, maroon, burgundy. But yeah, this is just the simple little fall look. Again, it's the look that I do on my channel most often. This is not unfamiliar to literally every other single video that I do, but you can do it with any colors. I just find that the fall color palette with like the mauves and the maroons and the warm rich browns, the toastiness of it all is like really, really beautiful. This actually matches my shirt really well today. So yeah, that's that. It's also featuring some of my favorite products with these About Face eye paints. You guys, I just started to try out some of the About Face products and I have not been disappointed with anything that I have tried so far. I have a cream blush, I have the eye paints, I have the eyebrow pencil, I have the foundation, you guys. About Face, Halsey is not playing when it comes to these like formulas, these products. I love the packaging, this like square bubbly packaging. Love it all. Have not been disappointed. Also, indie brands are where it's at. Blend Bunny Cosmetics. They have a ton of beautiful eyeshadows. They have mascaras and eyelashes and all kinds of things now, as well as like a cleansing balm, which I'm really excited to maybe try out soon. Yeah. So indie cosmetics is where it's at. Small brand cosmetics is where it's at. But yeah. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. I will link everything that I used down in the description box below, so if you are interested, you can try it out in your own time. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.